You have mentioned that these companies, some of these companies, they have like get some fundings as well. So what's the relation with that? Like, can you explain?
Yeah, sure thing. So whenever we get involved as a consultancy, so the understanding is like, so they have this limited amount of funds that they're going to utilize to build this product, and we are going to help them, as it always starts with the design phase, or in better yet, the discovery phase of the problem. And after that, we come up with the main problem definition. So, okay, this is the problem that you're trying to solve. We ideate on it. We keep building variations. We test it with their target audience, and the target audience is something that they have to provide. Okay, this is why this is the problem, and this is the audience that I'm building it for. We,
Okay.
we get them on call. We test it with them, and then we build the MVP in a bare minimum MVP, in a sort of way that they can, okay, take this, and then they can start pitching it to the investors, and then they
Okay, okay,
some of
okay.
them are usually successful in raising funds like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, okay, I get it, I get it. Because nowadays, like it's all about MVP. Previously, I remember like people, clients, and even like a lot of people, like majority of them, come up to you and say, like, I need this big giant system, I need
Yeah.
reporting, I need like this kind of a design, I need admin portal, client portals, and all that. Like it used to be like a huge system. It takes like years to basically, it takes first like few months to actually create design of it, create business
Yeah.
flows, and then develop it, testing. And now like I see like a lot of the industry is pivoting towards MVP approach. More, a lot of people are like building SaaS platforms, and AI is also very in. Like I see like in
Yeah.
today's market, like every product I see, every new product, there is like some AI aspect involved. Like either it is Chat GPT API, or like more about it. So can you tell like any
Yeah.
exciting
Sure.
AI related
Sure.
product you have designed, or like you guys did plan and make it like into a successful MVP?
So usually you're definitely right that there is this glorified inclination towards AI, that they have to do something in it, so it becomes a better product to pitch in front of the investors, because they're this AI boom, and being 100% transparent. So we do find some aspect of any like some aspect of AI involved in the product that we can utilize. But in any product, the AI part can't be involved just from day one. Like in most of the products that we have worked in, there are products which are totally AI based, but in my experience, we need to collect the data for it first to come up with something that, okay, which we can later utilize to go with that. And the point that you mentioned about building, now the industry being more focused towards coming up with MVPs, that
Yeah.
is something that I definitely agree on, because now these processes are more outcome based, and they need to focus on what they're going to ship. And incidents have happened where clients have, in meetings with us, they have stated that they want the admin panel and everything, and each
Yeah.
and every nitty of a product that is not usually uh, centered around the problem that they're trying to solve. But then it gets easier when we tell them the whole timeline of what they are envisioning and the cost behind it. And then they get and then it gets easier. Okay, like, okay, we can't invest that much in it, so what do you suggest, how much we can cut down? And then they start like a bottom up approach, so they can cut down enough till it becomes an MVP, and then it gets easier to build it.
Yeah, that is good. That is good. And for any listener who is listening, and you guys have any idea in your mind that you're thinking like this is like crazy idea, I would say like Asad is like the right person. You can contact him on LinkedIn as well. I will provide your LinkedIn link in my description, so that you can discuss with him. He's like the expert in designing flows and stuff, and you guys like work out and you guys build something crazy. So yeah.